Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. This is John O'Connell from IT Heat Training. It's the super bloom here in Southern California, which means it's super allergy season. So I apologize for being late, but it's been a little stuffy here. It's time for another Tips and Tricks Thursday. And I want to thank everybody for their feedback on the magnifier tip within the control center. I also want to give a major A+ to a lot of people that did some research to find out, because it wasn't included as a default within within Control Center. You could choose to add it. So what that means is that there are some things in Control Center that will always be there and some things that you can fine tune for yourself, and that's what we're going to look at today. So I'm going to access Control Center once again by swiping down from the upper right hand corner because I have an iPhone 10. If you have anything with a home button, you're going to swipe up from the bottom right by the home button. So I'm going to swipe down, and anything that's on the top of your Control Center screen, which I'm highlighting right now, is what's going to be there no matter what. All of those smaller icons right below, and in my case I have 8 of them, those are what can be customized. So I just want to point out that right now they roll 1, 2, 3, 4, next row 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, just remember that for a second. I'm now going to go from Control Center itself. I'm going to go back to my home screen and I'm going to go into settings, because settings is where I will go to actually customize Control Center. I'm going to find the Control Center tab. The first screen there, it really just allows me to say, hey, I want to be able to access Control Center by either swiping up or swiping down, depending on your model, from any place on the phone, within an app or on the home screen. But the customized control options is what I want to really pay attention to. So these are options up at the top with the minus sign that I have already chosen, that are already in Control Center for me. On the bottom with the plus sign are apps that I can add to Control Center if I want to. So it's just a quick way to sort of tack onto it. Right now, remember it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are in order from top to bottom, 1 through 8. I want to move my magnifier right next to my flashlight, so it's just an easier way for me to pick the two. So I'm going to, on the far right hand side, there's those parallel lines that I keep calling the bookshelves. And when I lay my finger on one of those, that jumps into 3D and I now can drag it to where I want. So I'm going to show you that right now, the magnifying glass is in position number 4. But when I drag it up, now when I look at Control Center, it's now in position 2. So you can customize whatever you want and how you go through. We're going to break down what these apps are a little more over the next coming weeks. So if you see something you like, you can go, ooh, I know how to add it now. So a lot of cool stuff coming up in the next couple weeks just in Control Center. Like, there's so much here. Thanks so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you next week, hopefully with less allergies. Take care.